Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious dumplings in an air fryer. First, make sure your air fryer basket is clean and ready for use. Gather your frozen or pre-cooked dumplings, which work perfectly with this method. Lightly coat them with 1 to 2 teaspoons of a neutral cooking oil, like vegetable or canola. Remember to avoid overcrowding the basket for the best crispy texture. Begin by preheating your air fryer to a precise 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific temperature is ideal for achieving both thorough cooking and a delightfully crispy exterior. Carefully arrange your lightly oiled dumplings in a single layer within the air fryer basket. It is important not to stack them, as proper spacing is absolutely crucial for ensuring even browning on every side. Start cooking your dumplings for an initial 6 to 8 minutes in the preheated air fryer. This first crucial period helps them heat through completely and prepares them for crisping. About halfway through this time, gently shake the air fryer basket to ensure all sides get some heat exposure. You can also use tongs to carefully flip individual dumplings for even better results. Now, continue cooking the dumplings for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired crispiness. It is important to monitor them closely during this second phase to prevent any burning. You are looking for a beautiful golden brown color and a visibly crispy texture all around. Remember, cooking time might vary slightly based on your specific air fryer model and the size of your dumplings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.